Hi, my name is Tracy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the compound chicken, California style. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. You need 3 stalks of the celery, a small size of a red bell pepper, and some carrot, and some mushrooms, and garlics, and fresh red chili. Okay, the traditional compound chicken, they usually use the dried chili pepper. But since we're in California, so we're going to use everything fresh. Okay? And you also need half of a chicken breast. Okay, and some peanuts. This is the one that you will use at the very end to sprinkle on top. And you will need some soy sauce and some cooking wine and cornstarch and some salt. Okay, let's start with the vegetables. Okay, first I'm going to peel this. Okay, I'm going to make a very easy design on the carrots so it'll look nice. I just cut off part of the carrots, and then from the side you'll look like something like this. Okay, this is just to make it look prettier. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna cut the carrots. Okay, so now you have a carrot looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the bell pepper. And then I'm going to cut the mushroom. Okay, I'm going to cut them into slices, but not very thin ones, so it can be like this. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to cut the celery. Okay, this is how I cut it. I usually just cut it in the middle. Okay, for all of them. And I cut them like this. You just want to cut them into the same size, okay? For the red chili pepper, I usually buy them at the farmer's market. I buy a lot, and then I just freeze them in the freezer, and then I can use them all year round. Okay, this is very, very hot chili pepper, so you don't want to have your finger touch them after you cut it. Okay, otherwise it will burn your hands. Okay, so what I do is I usually just cut them like this. Okay, and then I gently lift them like this and put it in here. Then I'm going to do the garlic. This is how I do it. Okay. I'm going to cut off the top part. Then I'm just going to cut them into big chunks, okay? Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the chicken. Okay. Again, you want to cut them into the same size. Okay. So they all pretty much like this size. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to start marinate the chicken. Okay, for the chicken, you will need some salt. For half of a chicken breast, you need half teaspoons of salt. This is like 1.5 tablespoon of the soy sauce and some cooking wine. This is like 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use my chopsticks to marinate them. Now the chicken needs to be marinated for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the chicken has finished marinated. I'm going to add in additional sauce to it. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. I'm going to add in half a tablespoon of water after adding the cornstarch. Then I'm going to add in a couple of drops of the sesame oil. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put in some olive oil. For this dish, for that much vegetable, we will need approximately 4 tablespoons of the olive oil. Okay, now that the oil is warm, I'm going to put in the garlic. When you cook Chinese dish, you have to keep oil ingredient dry, so it won't, when you encounter the oil, it won't splash. Cook for like 30 seconds. When the garlic turns brown, I'm going to add in the chicken. Okay, I turn back with the heat back to high. You have to keep stirring them just to separate them because we have put in a lot of cornstarch in it. You want to cook the chicken to 80% cooked and then take them out. And then the remaining 20%, we're going to mix them, cook them together with the vegetable so the flavor will be better. So the remaining oil I can left in the pot to cook all the vegetables. Now I'm going to put all the rest into the pot. I'm going to add in a little bit salt. This is like half a teaspoon. Cook the vegetable for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add back in the chicken. Okay, then cook them together. Add a little bit water. This is like 2 tablespoons. And a little bit soy sauce. Also 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to stir them together. Okay, now I'm going to take the chicken out. Now I'm going to put the peanuts on top to finish the dish, okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Okay, bye!